about to enjoy a delicious Saturday morning meal together, me and my wife. I wanted to show you guys what it was like. She made this delicious fish, and we went through the garden and we picked up some cucumber in our garden, and we have some curled parsley that we have picked up. I'm going to wash these off. A lot of curled parsley. And they're delicious, by the way. When you give them this fresh, you can actually taste the potency of that particular herb. It is amazing. So we're going to lightly wash it in water just to make sure. Now remember, this is not growing off the ground, so you don't have to worry about insects in your food as you would have to worry about it on the ground. So we just lightly wash it, just get it where we want. My wife just did that a little bit there. We just shake it off. And I have my share, and my wife has her share. Let's go that way. And I want to thank you for cooking this delicious fish. It looks absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to cut up now. I'm going to wash the cucumber. I'm going to wash it off her. Now this came directly from the garden now. Okay? Yep. And so you're eating stuff that is young and tender and it's wholesome. And this is what we owe her right in the garden. So tell these guys how it tastes.
It's tender.
I grew this myself. Okay, that's what it is. This is a Torpedopot video, where we have planters that will grow your plants for you.
Right over there.
And now I'm going to take a little bit of the. I love the tomatoes. I'm going to cut some tomatoes, and as you can see, these are lush and green. Okay. And I wanted added fertilizer one time during the 3rd week. I think it's supposed to be about the 6th week now. I said they've been running on their own. Okay, cut up the tomatoes. Add a little bit of them to the dish. Ah, it looks delicious. Absolutely delicious. Let me tell you something. This is where you like to be in life. Is to be able to have this type of freedom where you can eat healthy food, enjoy it, and you know where it's coming from. You know the seed stock. You know what you're eating, and it just tastes delicious. Tell the viewers, Sharon, did you taste the tomato already, or?
It's green.
It's green? Okay. So the only source of contamination that we're going to get from this is from our own dirt. I mean, we've narrowed down all the factors, so if you want healthy food, it's right at your fingertips. You can do whatever you want to do to get it. Now this is fennel. I'm going to snap some piece off the fennel. It's not like eating the fennel as little leaves. I'm not going to cut up into fine. You know, I just brush that on them. And my wife, she'd have some also. It's great collage. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Cut her a piece off so she'll have some. And it's just amazing. It looks so stunning. It's a stunning meal. And wow, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And we haven't got to the, you know, some people don't like meat. I totally get it, and I'm sorry, but I do love a little meat every once in a while. So I'm gonna, I love, what is this? The spearmint. The spearmint, right?
Spearmint.
I love the spearmint, and I'm gonna do a little washing. I'm sorry you wash the fennel off, but the spearmint, just wash this off. And again, you won't find the debris as you will find if you leave it on the ground. Now this is a great. Yeah, thank you, Sharon. Great to have. The spearmint, it helps my digestive system. It really does. It helps me to digest food. It really does. And that's what all of it does. But they break down so easily, so easy that I can actually not eat something healthy, and it will help to open up my pores in my stomach to get me to where I need to be at. So let me cut something a little bit more finer as it will be. And it is delicious. Guys, I'm telling you, once you have it down where, oh, listen, I've got to do this.
Oh, now you're talking.
The green peppers. Fresh, young, tender green peppers. And we're going to cut this up.
They're hot peppers, right?
These are banana, I'm sorry, these are banana peppers.
Banana peppers?
Yep, banana peppers.
Spicy?
Oh, they're delicious. I tried them. This is the 3rd batch we got from them. We had so many of them, I gave them to my sister. I told them, I'm sorry, go ahead.
They're hot.
Are they really hot? Banana peppers? Wow. So the magic is in the soil, but it's in how you grow the plants. The hydroponics, all these things, they have their place, but they're nothing. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's a work of art. That is a work of art.
This is artwork.
That is artwork. There's artwork. Artwork. Absolute beauty. And nothing.
Wow. I don't need any meat on this plate.
Ah,
What do you think?
you know what? You're probably right. You're probably right.
I don't need any meat.
But
I'm gonna have some anyway.
Nice move. Well, let's put you in a little bunch there.
This is the fennel.
Chamomile.
Oh, chamomile.
Yep, yep. And that should end our little morning ritual that we have.
So
And
cut us off a piece of meat. And put it
cut us
right
off
here
a
in the
piece of
middle.
meat. Yep, yep, yep. Cut us off a piece of meat. Put it right there in the middle. And
That's tomato or
that's tomato. Yep, just tomato. It's delicious. All right, so we got to get into the main course. I'm sorry that. Thank you, Sharon, for showing it.
Put your salmon on.
Oh, I'm going to wait. That's going to be something we're going to do behind closed doors. I don't want you to suffer with eating it. But I want to thank you for taking the time out to look at our videos. Torpedopot, the self-watering flower pot. You can use in your home, outside your home, to water your whole garden, to water your greenhouse, the plants, whatever, your food. Beautiful plants in the front of the house. Take a look at our other videos. Torpedopot is the way to go. It will save you time, it will save you money, and you'll eat healthier. I've lost weight. And maybe in another video I'll tell you how much I've lost. But thank you guys.
Thank you. Bye-bye now. Thank you for visiting us at the home of Torpedopot. Have a great day.